Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily Combo for September 5, 2024. Okay. The first one is Partnership Program Discard. Okay. And then for the second one, go to Market and then see 100 times 100x margin trading. Okay. And then for the last card, proceed to PRN team and then this one. See, data center in Tokyo cost me 300 million, but the profit per hour added is 19k. Okay, go ahead. Here we go. This is the reward. Take the prize. Good job, CEO. Okay, this is the best 3 card for Hamster Combat in September 5 and 6, 2024. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.